Hello YouTubers, this is your host from GuzzTechno with a review of another port based on Android 10, which is MIUI 11 MiRoom 9.12.19 beta version. So not much changes in this one. If you have already flashed previous versions of MiRoom based on Android 10, we see the kernel version 4.9.206 it's been pretty good till now. As you can see from this one, the active ping is 9.44% and deep sleep is 94.46%, so I can easily get around 7 to 8 hours with this one. And apart from that, as you are aware, the features available such as connection and sharing, cast option which is new. You can cast your screen with the screen turned off, and you can cast a particular app while still working on other apps on your phone. Then you have smart network, and private DNS option is also available here, and everything works perfectly fine. This one does not have ambient display option, but Poco F1 users shouldn't bother much with that because it causes heavy battery drain. Then you have always show notifications, so this one will make sure that any Android notifications you have are available. Then you have new ringtones available and notifications. Change the default adjusting volume to ringtone. Also, home screen has been added in this version, so if you are not finding the Google Feed option, blur for the background option, tap that in 2 lines, show icon shadows, and the developer options. This is the place you need to work with. And everything works from your phone. Unlock is available. Then Magisk has been installed. If you want to enable other options, you need to first enable developer options and then go to the bottom, and you'll see app name for warning. This is a new feature which has been added. Then screenshot in any app, so even in secure apps which don't allow you to take screenshot, you can take a screenshot. You have digital well-being, which I'm using right now. Extended power menu is also there. So not many bugs, everything is working perfectly fine with this one. And if you want to give it a shot, I'll post the link in the description section. I suggest clean flashing this one because I did a dirty flash, but there was a battery drainage and there were few issues with Magisk, so I did a clean one. But you can still give it a shot, and if you want to do a dirty flash, what I'll also recommend is wipe your Dalvik cache system data. Right, install this ROM, and from the backup of your previous ROM, restore data only. Alright, and that should work fine. If you have any questions, please post in the comment section, and like and subscribe. Thank you.